KC dethroned JC as Edwin Allen retained back their title at the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Championship at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Kingston College won their second title in 3 years and 33 overall, while Edwin Allen retained their girls' crown at the 111th staging of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championship on Saturday night at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. Kingston College, which entered the fifth and final day on 201 points, 62.76 ahead of second place Jamaica College, ended the championship with 372 points, 71.7 clear after the 42 finals were scored to dethrone the Old Harbour Bay School. Jamaica College ended with just over 300 points for their second place. Calabar 170, St. Jago 147, Edwin Allen 95, St. Elizabeth Technical 88, Excelsior 56, Wolmer's 55, Herbert Morrison 35.33, and Manchester High School 32 to complete the top 10. Edwin Allen entered the final day on 175 points, 48 ahead of Hydel High in second place, took the girls' championship with 352 points, 57 clear of second place Hydel High after the 46-point final score to win their 8th straight consecutive title and 9 overall. Hydel High scored 295 points for their second place. St. Jago 249, Homo Technical 174, Excelsior 107, St. Catherine 83, Wolmer's 83, Immaculate 76, Veer 53, and Camperdown 33 to complete the top 10. KC won 8 gold medals on the day, including 2 relays, the Class 2 4x100 and the Sprint Medley Open. Edwin Allen secured 6 gold medals by their performance in the Class 1 4x100 meter. The quadrant of Serena Cole, Tina Clayton, Brandy Hall, and Tia Clayton smashed through the 44-second barrier to stop the clock in 43.28, breaking the previous mark of 44.17 set by Edwin Allen back in 2014. St. Jago finished second with 45.05 seconds, while Hydel was third with 45.12 seconds to finish out the top 3. In all, the day produced 8 meet records, another sensational run from Hydel High, Kerika Hill, The 17-year-old continued her good form in the 100-meter hurdles to break the meet record for the second time in 2 days and the under-18 best mark. Competing in the Class 2 finals, Kerika Hill raced with the field in the early stage but pulled away for an emphatic victory. She stopped the clock at 12.71 seconds to improve on her record. This concludes another successful staging of the ISSA Boys and Girls Athletic Championship for 2022. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.